U.S. Ambassador Her Excellency Nicole Avant telling members of the Travel Professionals of Color National Association that now more than ever before, the Bahamas tourism industry is ripe with opportunities to develop substantial, strong, and long-lasting partnerships between American and Bahamian businesses.
Should you find that you would like to expand your business into the Bahamas, again, I ask you to please do not hesitate to call upon the Economic and Commercial section of the United States Embassy. We can assist you in finding the right Bahamian partners to make your business a success here.
Her Excellency says that one area of tremendous potential is cultural heritage tourism and stated that far more American tourists, particularly minority tourists, are looking for a substantial interaction with Bahamian people and their history.
I personally have wonderful memories of vacations in Nassau. I used to visit the straw market, and I used to converse with all the local vendors who sold authentic Bahamian crafts. And I also remember the sounds of Junkanoo lingering through the streets. Yet sadly, over the years, that type of cultural experience has been whittled away. But I do believe that it will return soon.
The U.S. Ambassador to the Bahamas told the visitors that she hopes that at the end of this conference, they all walk away knowing that the Bahamas is so much more than just Nassau.
I ask you to please tell your customers and your colleagues, your friends, your family, that there is an island here just right for them. And I hope, like me, that they will find a deep and meaningful connection with the Bahamas and with her roots. For like African Americans, today's Bahamians are also the descendants of former and freed slaves.
For the Tourism Today Network, I'm Gina Seeley.